So I've got these two stickers. They're both reflective from over the graphics. And if you don't know what reflective vinyl looks like, this is what it looks like. This is what it usually looks like when you get it from them, but I went ahead and took one out. So the first thing you guys want to do before you install is, one, pick a spot where you want to install a sticker, and then clean that spot. For me, I'd like to install this sticker on the rear window, right here in the right corner, and I have my rag I usually use to clean with, and glass cleaner as well. So once you have that spot cleaned up and the surrounding areas next to it, just to make sure dust doesn't get underneath the sticker, you're ready to install from the plastic bag. And I'm going to show you guys how to install it. So before you guys want to take off the backing paper, it's important that you re-squeegee the vinyl or the sticker itself. So just to do that, you take, if you don't have a squeegee, you can go ahead and use like a card, a membership card, or a debit card to go ahead and just do it like this. And I'd recommend doing it in like all different directions as well, to make sure that the transfer tape, which is the clear tape on top, has all the parts of the sticker on it. So I just re-squeegeed my sticker. Now I'm taking off the backing paper, and then what I'm going to do next is position it to where I'd like it to be on the window. So I just put my sticker where I want it to be on the window, and what I do next is flatten it out. First I use my fingers, but you can go ahead and use your squeegee as well. It's a very small sticker, so I'm not too worried about air bubbles all that much. Make sure, and just like how when we re-squeegeed it, we hit it from different directions to make sure that the sticker or the transfer tape itself comes out smoothly. And you can press on to the sticker as hard as you can, even with the non-felt side of the squeegee itself, because you're not going to get any scratches or whatnot onto the sticker by just doing this. If you guys do see, there is a thin circular border on the sticker. You have to be careful when you get stickers like this, because what they like to do is, since it's so thin, they like to come off with the transfer tape itself when you start peeling. So I'm going around, angling the squeegee this way and just circling, or just going over this circular border. Alright, so you may have to re-squeegee your sticker a couple times to make sure you think you got everything. Don't worry about the bubbles in the middle here. That's fine. As long as your sticker itself looks good, looks flat, no creases, then you should be ready to peel off. Alright, put my squeegee down, and let's go ahead and start peeling this transfer tape. Don't worry about that. What you can do is just try to take it from a different angle and carefully take that transfer tape off, and with your fingers just flatten out that border, and there you go. There is my reflective Toyota decal, and I'm loving it. Look at it.